Hey guys, Robert Lunt here with Realty One Group Skyline with another video. Today I'm in Berry Bay in WIMAUMA, and this is I'm with MI Homes right here at their model. This right here is their largest model. It's called the Mar-a-Lago. They offer 9 different floor plans, and they travel all the way from a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage, all the way to this is the most popular model. This is the Mar-a-Lago. This comes in different options, so you can configure it with a double master. So you have a master bedroom on the bottom, master bedroom on the top, and you have a 3-car garage that goes side by side. And you can also make it almost like a 4-car garage where you have a tandem garage going in. The first two, you would eliminate the master on the bottom. So their price points are ranging anywhere from the high 300s all the way into the mid 700s. So if you want to go all the way with all the upgrades and on the lake with the double master, but this model specifically will be anywhere from the mid 5s to the mid 7s. So follow me, I'll take you inside and have a look around.
Front door.
All right, so you come in, you have a nice big breezeway as you walk in, nice big foyer which has a dining room. A lot of these built-ins and things like that, these are all optional upgrades. Some of them are not even optional, they're just stuff that they do for the models to show them, the potential of the design. So as you walk through, you come right in the front door. There's a pass-through in the dining room which leads into the kitchen. I guess we could start there first, actually. And you would come right through here, and you would walk into this little, it's almost like not so much a butler's kitchen, but it's a little like dry bar basically, where you can have your coffee, you can have a little wine rack, a coffee station, and then you have your pantry, which is kind of off of the kitchen, where it's like not right in the middle of the kitchen, which is nice. So if you like to leave your pantry door open, it doesn't affect the view and your feng shui of the kitchen. So here you go, a nice big open kitchen layout. Standard size island, I would say. It's not super oversized one. So if you're looking for an oversized island, I believe they have that as an option in their other model, the Barcelo. So, and then you come in here, you're in the living room, there's a little breakfast nook, stairway is there, and then this is laid out to have the master on the bottom too. So you come over, you have your entry for the lanai, you have the triple slider. And this is a wraparound lanai. So this is actually an option, because I believe it actually cuts off right here, and you can get it extended as an upgrade. And that'll, but standard, it's cut off like right there, and has another exit door, which would be off of this master. 9.5-foot ceilings all the way throughout. This is obviously way decked out, but it's a nice sized room. I think if you're looking for like that in-law type of situation, you'd probably use the upstairs for the in-law, and then depending on physical capabilities, but you would definitely probably want your master on the bottom if you were the homeowner. So this has the nicest shower, I think. It has the big walk-in shower, the double vanity with the little drop in the middle for like a makeup stand, and it has one walk-in closet here, commode, huge walk-in shower. And you can get an idea, I'll show you. Nice and spacious in here, with a window, so that's always nice. I like the natural light. And you can even open the window, so it does have all the ventilation fans. And then we'll head upstairs and check out the rest of the house. I think right now there's There's so these come on as an option. You can get 50 or 60-foot lots. So you can, it's obviously affected, you know, reflective in the price. I'll give you just a quick show of the Lennar. You come out to the Lennar. It's a pretty good sized backyard because it's 2-story. Most of your 2 stories are going to give you a larger backyard, whereas, you know, the 1 stories have a bigger footprint on the bottom versus the 2 stories have a smaller bottom footprint, and they're most of it, you know, they divide the square footage between 2 floors. So this has a nice wraparound. So obviously, if you're going to add a pool, this would be awesome to have this section here, and then you would have this whole covered area here, and then your pool would go out here. Should be nice. We'd enjoy that. So yeah, guys, right now they are offering $30,000. Now we are talking right now, we are in the middle of April 2023, so these change on a day-to-day basis, but they've always got great incentives with MI Homes. And right now it's $30,000 using their preferred lender, and that you can use as closing cost incentives or rate buy down. So let's check out the upstairs. It's really nice. I think this is the best part of the house, actually. It does have a big laundry room as well. I'll give you a quick sneak peek of that. Sales offices, this is the model, so the sales office is behind that door where the garage would typically be. So actually you could essentially you'd have a 4-car garage, because if you didn't have the master on. So as you can see too, I wanted to show you this. So these are the different, you know, configurations you can have. The optional 4th-car garage, like I said, optional owner's suite 2, which you can reconfigure that, or have this tandem garage space here. You got optional gourmet kitchen, so you could move this into there, and that'll just basically give you more of like a cooktop area, where versus you have more counter space here. This would have like a double oven right there instead of all that counter space. And then you would also have upstairs, you can change it to either the deluxe owner's bath, so you can make like a bigger bathroom, so it has the tub, but you would lose some of the space on the 4th bedroom. You would lose that bathroom that's in the 4th bedroom. So come up here, you come up the stairs, and tray ceiling here. I'm pretty sure this is standard, so you get the tray ceiling. You have its own balcony. So yeah, you might want to make this your master, depending on if you want the stairs or not. It's locked right now. Can't go up there for safety reasons. So they would come through here, but you know, like I said, the shower is definitely nicer on the bottom bedroom. This one just has the balcony. But as you can see, you do have a little walk-in shower, smaller walk-in shower. It's still big, it's wide, very wide. Bigger walk-in closet up here for sure than downstairs. Little linen closet here. Same vanity setup as downstairs, which is nice. You could obviously upgrade this flooring if you'd like. This is a big room. This is a nice room. Very nice with the double doors. Wide hallway. Bedroom number 2. 3. So yeah, you have right now you have the way this is set up is 3 bedrooms with a master. So you have 4, 3 up here, and then you have 1 bedroom, 2 baths downstairs. So it's a 5-5. And this has a walk-in closet as well. It's got windows in each corner. There's a lot of windows in this model, which a lot of builders, they kind of shell back from using a lot of windows for energy efficiency, for cost, because the less windows, the less, less expense, because it's a lot cheaper just to put a brick wall there than a hurricane window there. And it also, like I said, it's better for energy efficiency, less windows that you have. But these are good windows. You can tell their impact. And you would have basically, this could be obviously your in-law suite up here. Off to the side. Probably should have worn my Bluetooth for this video. But as you can see, guys, you have an awesome, this is awesome. So this would be great living room, kitchenette area. You could obviously probably put a microwave, coffee pot up here. You could put a real refrigerator if you wanted to. I'm sure that's not an issue. Your AC closet is in there, and then you have another bedroom with a bathroom here as well. So, and this would be optional. You could make the master bathroom with the tub on the other side, so you could enhance that bathroom, and this would just not have a bathroom. Right now it's a great sized bathroom. So if you're familiar with WIMAUMA 301 area, this is kind of like right in between Parrish and like right near Ruskin and Sun City Center. So like you literally go up 2 miles that way, and there's an Aldi, a Walmart. There's another. So you have 2 grocery stores. You have some restaurants, and then I-75 is like 5 minutes. So you're right on I-75. You can be in Tampa very quickly, or you can shoot down to Sarasota or St. Petersburg. I think you'd probably looking like 30 minutes to St. Pete from here, and probably 30 minutes to downtown Tampa, and probably roughly 30 minutes to UTC and Sarasota. So it's not a bad location, because it's still kind of like country out here. It's not fully developed yet. Give it another 10 years and you might see a little bit more development. But I think right now it's pretty easy living out here and pretty quiet. Not a lot of traffic and pollution. It's very nice. So hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Check out my other videos. Please like and subscribe. I have many other videos of the Parrish communities, and I have some other stuff of the features of Manatee County, and I'll keep the videos coming of all the communities. And stay in touch. My number is 941-879-4730. I specialize in knowing as many new construction communities as I can. I keep up with the inventory, the incentives, the incoming infrastructure, and everything around that as far as what's going on in the financing world. Like, as you may not know, that FHA is now going to 40 years next month. So that'll give people a little bit of breathing room on their payment. And just a lot of different things and developments that are coming into the area, like the new hospital, which will be 10 minutes away. So actually this location will actually be in between 2 hospitals. You'll have Sun City, and then you'll have the new HCA coming in Parrish. So, and then there'll be an STF college right there too. So this will be a great location in the future, and it is a great location already. So thank you, guys.